Good day, teachers.
Panelists,
And future researchers,
I am Joshua A. Cabachete,
I am Marjorie Huyad.
I'm Jade Batula.
and we are the researchers. Our study is all about the ability of innovative CoreNet in minimizing solid waste in drainage ways.
Background of the study: solid waste dumped into the drainage waste. Solid waste has been a serious problem not only in some barangays or communities but also in some part of the countries. According to a research, the amount of solid waste has been increased even more, especially now that there is a pandemic. It has also been recorded that the Philippines is the fourth largest generator of solid waste among country members of the Association Southeast Asian Nations. And according to a report by United Nations Environment Program, the Philippines Environment Management Bureau projected that the country yearly waste has been raised to 18.5 million in 2020.
Australian City uses drainage nets to stop waste from polluting waterways. As the solid waste has been reported to be one of the most serious problems in some countries, the Australian city of Kwinana has designed a simple and cost-effective solution to deal with discharge of waste from drainage systems. Drainage nets. These nets stops waste and pollutants from leaving the sewers, preventing garbage transported by rainwater from contaminating the town local water reserve. It is a simple filtering system and it works like a charm. The town has put nets on the outlets of drainage pipes.
Innovative CoreNet. We, the researchers, came up to an idea with an alternative drainage net which is made up of coconut husk that is one of the main instruments in making a CoreNet. CoreNet is a biodegradable drainage net that is manufactured from 100% natural coir fiber extracted from coconut husk. CoreNet has both greater strength and life expectancy than other biodegradable products due to strong fibrous quality of coir fiber. Brown coir has harvested from fully ripened coconut that is thick, strong, and has high abrasion resistance. It is typically used in mats, brushes, and sacking. Mature brown fibers contain more lignin and less cellulose than fibers such as flax, cottons, so are stronger but less flexible.
Significance of the study. Generally, the significance of the study is to test the effectiveness or efficiency of the CoreNet as an alternative drainage net in minimizing solid waste in drainage ways. Specifically, the following will benefit the study. Number 1, the community. It will minimize waste disposal problems regarding to any solid waste which took how many years to decompose. It will produce an idea of how to deal with solid waste in drainage waste in terms of product which is convenient and easy to find as well as ecological friendly concept.
Number 2. Ecological and agricultural sectors. Address them about the aim of this research study, which provides protection for the water together with the purpose of minimizing solid waste in drainage ways.
Number 3. Environment. This research study will lessen the water pollution caused by solid waste or garbage in ocean and rivers. Number 4. Future researchers. It has a possibility in developing the study into complex studies that can be more useful. It can also be served as a citation from other related studies.
Statement of the problem. This study aims to produce and test the effectiveness and efficiency of the CoreNet as an alternative drainage net in minimizing solid waste in drainage ways.
Specific questions. Number 1. Does the CoreNet provide sufficient strength in filtering or separating the solid waste in drainage ways in terms of its strength and properties?
Number 2. How applicable is the innovative CoreNet than the commercially available drainage net on minimizing drainage waste in the community?
Does the CoreNet can be used in reducing solid waste in drainage ways?
Scope and limitations. This study mainly focuses on the production and effectiveness of the coir net as an alternative drainage net in minimizing solid waste in drainage ways. This study was conducted at Purok 6, Barangay Panaytayon, Remedios T. Romualdez, Agusan del Norte. The research design used in this study is quantitative research. Coconut husk and mallet are the instruments used in this study. Data collection and analysis. Harvesting the coconut husk. Coconuts are picked at the right stages to cater the industry needs, or the ripened coconut fallen on the ground is being collected and mounted in a specific where the next process of husking out would begin. Husking. Now, harvested coconut are divided into categories and ripe coconuts are sent to the machinery or the linemen to begin the process of husking. The unripe coconuts are spread on the ground to dry for a month or more to obtain the level of maturing to husk out. All the husking processes are nowadays made up of sharp steel tip with opposite ejection handless to husk out the coconut fiber from the strong husk protected fruit. Retting. As you can see in the pictures above, retting process of decomposing the husk pulp through natural and chemical processes to separate the coir fiber is called retting. During this process, husks are partially decomposed, making it easier to separate the coconut coir fiber and coconut coir pith. Defibering. Manually, workers use wooden mallets to beat up the pulp extracted after retting to defiber the pith and the fiber. Now, modern machines have steel drums with beater arms to separate the fiber and the pith. Pith and the fiber are collected separately by using rotating steel drums. Since we don't have a mallet, we use a small branch of tree to defiber the husk. Making the rope. Since we don't have the machine to make the rope, we use the manual type of making it, which is using hands. Making the coir net. We also use manual type of making the coir net. As you can see in the picture above, it is a step-by-step picture to show how to manually make the net. Putting the net in the drainage way. The pictures above is us putting the coir net in the drainage way. As you can see, the coir net is perfectly fit to the drainage way so that the waste can also be collected perfectly. The last picture is weighing the solid waste.
Results. As we conducted our study, we weighed the heaviness of the coir net and subtracted it to the amount of solid waste that we have collected in every 3 days. In this table, it shows that in trial 1, it was able to collect 17 kilos of solid waste within 3 days. While in trial 2, it was able to collect 20 kilos of solid waste within 3 days. And in the third trial, it managed to collect 15 kilos of solid waste for 3 days.
Summary. Waste disposal has been a serious concern of environmental problem throughout the world. Likewise, solid waste in drainage waste has also been a serious concern where it impacts the water quality through the release of leachate from landfills into water sources. As water comes in contact with decomposing solid waste, it will dissolve together with the soluble inorganic and organic waste, producing polluted liquid known as leachate or waste juice. Coir net is made up of coconut husk with the intention to filter the solid waste from drainage waste to lessen the garbages and the water pollution.
Conclusion. The coir net can be an efficient alternative drainage net in filtering or separating solid waste in drainage waste, regarding to its strength and durability, design, or property.
Recommendations. Number 1. We would like to recommend to test the tensile strength of the product, which is the coir net, so that they can have more data to base. Number 2. We recommend to seek the confirmation of the barangay officials when doing the study. Number 3. It is also recommended that in making the ropes, it should be tighter so that it won't loosen up.
Number 4. The coir net should be bigger as some drainage ways are also big. Number 5. We also recommend to do further studies regarding to coir rope or net as an alternative drainage net. Number 6. To make this study a reference for future study. That's all. I am Joshua A. Cabachete.
I'm Marjorie Huyad.
I am Jade Batula.
Thank you and God bless.